Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FxPro app. You will click on settings in the first page of settings and you will click. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about FxPro direct. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.